Okay, so hello everyone. In this short demo, I will show you how to import Transport New South Wales layouts into ArcGIS Pro. So in the first step, I actually just download all the layouts that are available through the library. I will actually put the link during the session, and you can download all the layout files into your folder. Um, in this case, I've done it in advance. So if you actually going into here, into the panel of the catalog, and you do import, you can see that I've actually downloaded the all folder, which sits within downloads, Transport New South Wales layout, and then all the pagx files. I can then go and select any of the layouts that I want to apply on my data. In this case, I might take Landscape A3 internal version 1. Just be aware there's many of them, so you can a bit do a trial and error, see which one is suitable for your needs. And I'm going to input this into my catalog. That will take a little bit of time, and you can see now it's been added, and I can see an empty layout. All right, so at the next step, what I want to do is apply the data that I have. In actually this case, it's data from Sydney into the new layout. If I go into my map view, you'll be able to see that this is the data that I want to apply. So I'm going back to the previous screen, and again, I went into the layout, and I do right click into the map frame, and I go into properties, and you can see here there's a new panel called map frame. I'm going to now open that, and I can see all the different maps that are currently under my catalog. On that occasion, I'm going to select the Sydney CBD, and that will automatically apply into the layout that came from transport. One other thing which is important to say, if I want to do any changes and then keep them, it's probably a good idea if you unlock all these lockers that you can see here on the left, which is coming by default locked. And that will enable you then to make any manipulation or changes into the legend or any of the other elements that came as part of this layout. I can decide that maybe one of the suburbs or one of the layers that I want to include. So let's say Sydney suburbs I don't want to include in the legend, so I'll take it off. You see it's now disappeared from the legend on the right. The same applies I can do on the overview map frame. So if I go here, right click, properties, and I will select maybe the same data, Sydney CBD. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it activated. And now when it's activated, I can zoom a little bit out. So that will be kind of look contextually like an overview map. Let's say this is enough for me on that occasion. I do close activation, and now I have the main map frame as the layout that just been imported for the Transport New South Wales library, and an overview map which has been created. On this occasion, I'm not going to change any other details, although you can spend more time and change the text, maybe some of the other elements that came, like scale or the north arrow, and anything else. And again, go and share the map if you like. And that will be done through the sharing option. I'll be done, as I said, through the sharing option. You can share this as a GeoTIFF, PDF, Web JPEG, which is more suitable for web, or whatever other version you would like. And that's it. Thank you.